Prophet Musa was traveling with his young companion on a special journey. Allah had told him that he would meet a wise servant of Allah at a certain place. The sign of that place would be a fish. Musa and his companion carried a fish in a basket. Along the way, they stopped to rest near a large rock. While they were resting, a miracle happened. The fish came back to life and slipped into the sea. But Musa's companion forgot to tell him what had happened. The two travelers continued their journey. After some time, Musa became tired and asked for food. Suddenly, his companion remembered. He said, "Do you remember when we rested by the rock? I forgot to tell you that the fish escaped into the sea. Satan made me forget to mention it." When Musa heard this, he immediately knew that this was the sign Allah had promised. Musa said, "That is exactly what we have been looking for." They turned back and returned to the rock. There, they found the righteous servant of Allah, known as Khidr. From him, Musa learned valuable lessons about patience, wisdom, and trusting Allah's plan. This story reminds us that Allah guides His servants in unexpected ways, and that seeking knowledge is a noble journey. May Allah grant us beneficial knowledge and wisdom. Ameen.